hello. This is Alina again. Hello, everybody. Still no nails. This time the bitch cancel on me 3 times. I go to another girl. That is it. I no deal with this bullshit anymore. Sometimes you just have to tell people that I am boss. Yes, I am boss. Not you. No. Anyway. So, I've had a little bit too much to drink today, but I did not want to leave everybody hanging, especially when in my emails sometimes they send me questions because people need Alina's help because they know that Alina knows what is going on. So, Alina is going to give you advice, just like you want. Okay, let's start. First question from Michelle. My husband wants sex all the time. I don't want to divorce him. I love him, but he just wants too much sex. What can I do? Very easy, Michelle. So, what you do? First, you go on diet. You tell him, I want to slim down, I want to look better, I want to get healthy. What you do? You eat 3 things. Activia, the yogurt, yes, it regulates. Tomato juice or V8, whatever, if you want the blend, is same thing. Or, and as much vodka, as much liquor as you want. This is what I eat. I eat Activia, I eat tomato juice, I drink a lot. So, and then everything else in the house, you put a little bit of poison, little bit, not a lot. You don't want to kill your husband, you love him, but just enough so he's sick. I recommend you grow a belladonna plant in your garden if you have one. This is not regularly tested for, so you put a little belladonna in just about everything in the house, and all you eat, Activia, tomato juice, vodka. This is so you remember what you use. Okay, that's what you do. Alright, next question from Casey. I recently discovered my husband's cheating on me with a girl at work. I don't want to leave him. He makes a lot of money. I want to marry your husband, but I will not cheat on you. I just want to make sure that bitch never touches him again. How do I handle this? Easy again. I don't know why you write to me to ask, but what you do? You have car, no? You know where this bitch work? No. Is you wait until they are having the sex and then they leave, and then you do something that the police will call a hit and run. Bye bye. Last question. My husband is paying for gay porn site. Oh, so he's like my husband, except my husband watches every fucking kind of porn ever made. He claims they are pop-ups. I do not know this, but the credit card charges to show he is paying for it. Help from Linda. Okay, Linda, this is the easiest question to answer. What is wrong with you people? Why are you so stupid? Why you have to ask me? It's easy. All you have to do is go shopping. Tell your husband you know he is a gay, put him in the car, and have fun for the rest of your life. Why? Because you marry a fag. There's a lot of things worse than marrying a fag. He's sensitive, he probably likes the same kind of TV you like, he likes to shop, he likes to drink. Go have a fun life. Have a beautiful, beautiful fun life. And maybe you don't get the sex, okay, then tell him you are going to cheat. He will understand. He is a fag. He does not want what your parts are. It's easy. Oh. Sometimes you people make me laugh because it's so, I don't even know why you have to ask. It's so simple. Just enjoy your life. And run the bitch down. And poison your husband. Life will be perfect. Okay. I think I'm going to go pass out now. I am a little bit very drunk. Okay. Bye bye.